The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
The estimated real gross domestic product growth rate amounted to 6.6% for August 2025 compared to the previous year, and the average real GDP growth for January-August 2025 equaled 7.9% according to the preliminary data from the National Statistics Office of Georgia. As of the document, in August 2025 compared to the same period of the previous year, the estimated real growth in the following activities contributed significantly: information and communication, financial and insurance activities, professional, scientific and technical activities, energy sector and trade. Decline were registered in construction and manufacturing sectors. To finance healthcare and social protection programs, the 2026 draft budget increased funding for the Ministry of Finance by more than 800 million lari. According to the draft, pensions will see a rise starting in 2026. Pensions for citizens aged 70 and above will increase by 45 lari, reaching 495 lari, while residents of mountainous settlements in the same age group will receive nearly 594 lari. Pensions for those under 70 will rise by 20 lari to 770 lari and to 444 lari in mountainous areas. The draft also provides for higher social assistance to people with disabilities. Monthly support for persons with disabilities under the age of 18 will rise by 45 lari, while for other categories of persons with disabilities the increase will amount 20 lari. In total, funding for social programs is projected at 7 million lari. Of these, over 2.1 billion lari is earmarked for healthcare, including 10% salary increase for primary healthcare staff. Additionally, 240 million lari will be directed toward housing programs for internally displaced persons. The government has already submitted the initial version of 2026 budget to the parliament. In the first 8 months of 2025, more than 5 million passengers used Georgian airports, marking a 15% increase compared to 2025. During this period, flights at all three international airports operated an average frequency of around 700 per week. In total, more than 24,000 international and domestic flights were carried out from January to August 2025, exceeding the number of flights in the same period last year by 15%. Among neighboring countries, Georgia has the most active air traffic, with Turkey. Last year, over 1.2 million passengers traveled between the two countries, accounting for 47% of total passenger traffic with neighboring nations. On October 2, Turkish budget airline Ajet operated its first direct flight from Ankara to Tbilisi. The airline will operate 4 weekly flights on Ankara-Tbilisi-Ankara route. The rehabilitation of Vera Park, one of the oldest and most historic recreational areas in Tbilisi, has been completed, Mayor Kaladze announced at the municipal government meeting. Kaladze highlighted that the detailed design of the project was prepared with the active involvement of citizens, marking the park's renovation a best precedent for participatory planning. Vera Park has had both district and citywide significance since the early 20th century. The rehabilitation required in-depth research and careful planning, with a strong focus on preserving its cultural heritage, Kaladze said. As a cultural heritage, the park was not fundamentally altered but rather revitalized and modernized. Key updates include renovated walking path fountain, resting pavilion, and drinking water fountains, new children's and sports playgrounds, dog walking area and administrative building, complete replacement of irrigation system and installation of a new drainage system, underground placement of above-ground communications. Special attention was given to greenery. Existing trees were preserved, new seedlings planted, and grass lawns installed. With the completed rehabilitation, Tbilisi has gained a renovated multifunctional recreational zone tailored to citizens of all age interests, Kaladze said, adding that they personally inspected the site and surprised the outcome. Rehabilitation works began a year ago with a total budget of 24 million lari. The Georgian Competition and Consumer Agency has published its Consumer Rights Protection Report for the first 9 months of 2025, revealing a sharp rise in complaints and violations compared to last year. Between January and September, the agency received 996 applications and handled 2,094 calls, reflecting a 55% increase in applications year-on-year. Out of these, 198 cases were investigated, resulting in the identification of 128 violations. In 106 cases, 63 traders were fined a total of 114,000 lari for failing to comply with obligations, while in 135 cases, 122 commitment agreements were signed to restore consumer rights and improve business practice. The data shows that 65% of complaints were related to online shopping, while 35% concerned in-person purchases. Tbilisi accounted for the majority of cases, 70-90%, followed by Achara 5%, Imereti 5%, Kakheti 2%, Kwemukartli 2%, and other regions. The most common consumer demands included refunds, repair or replacement of defective items. By sector, 70% of complaints came from wholesale and retail, 10% from transport and warehousing, 3% from arts, entertainment and recreation, and 17% from other areas. According to Competition Agency, the findings highlight the growing importance of online trade oversight and the need for businesses to ensure consumer protection standards are met. As of October 3, 13 fruit processing enterprises participating in Georgian state program have accepted up to 4,000 tons of substandard apples, providing farmers with over 1 million lari in income. The Ministry of Environmental Protection and Agriculture launched the program titled Supporting the Sales of Substandard Apples on October 9, 2025 to assist farmers in managing the apple harvest. How the program works under the initiative: fruit processing companies purchasing 1 kilogram of substandard apple for at least 27 tetri by December 15, 2025 are eligible for state subsidies. The Rural Development Agency provides an additional 10 tetri per kilogram to processing enterprises. Substandard apples are being collected by processing enterprises in the following regions: Shida-Kartli, Kwemu-Kartli, Kakheti, Samtsqa-Javakheti, Tsqetamtianeti, Rachale-Chqumi, and Kwemu-Swaneti. To ensure efficient and organized collection, the ministry has established a coordination headquarters to oversee the program's operations. This initiative not only provides financial support to farmers but also helps minimize waste and integrate substandard produce into the supply chain, benefiting both producers and the broader agricultural sector.
The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.